Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shiner's Hole. The plant you see in the water right now is called the spatterdock plant, but not to be confused with the common lily. Because lily pads are round in shape. See this spatterdock plant in the water? You can know that you are in water levels of 6 feet and under, because these plants only grow to be 6 foot tall. The average depth of the water levels here in the Florida Everglades can vary between 2 to 6 feet deep. And throughout much of our tour, if you look over the edge of the boat into the water, then you may notice bottom. And some of the canals out here can reach water levels up to 20 feet deep. Ladies and gentlemen, from here I believe I see another alligator right up ahead. So please have your cameras ready for just another moment. Coming up on the left-hand side of our boat first, you're going to look all the way over there near the bank. And you can see another alligator right there in the water. Alligators have lateral vision. Lateral vision means that they do not see in front of them, they cannot see behind them. Because alligators only see sideways out of their head. So if an alligator is ever looking right at you, chances are they're not even looking at you. Something many people do not know about alligators. If you can safely measure the distance between the alligator's eyes and nose, and then you turn those inches into feet, you would have your estimated length of that alligator. That means that you do not have to see the alligator's whole body to tell how big they are. All you need to see is their head. So since we only see this alligator's head, I spot about 7 inches between the eyes and nose, making this roughly a 7-foot alligator. The average alligator grows to be 13 feet long, and it can weigh up to 800 pounds. The largest alligator ever found here in the Florida Everglades on record was 15 feet long and almost 1,000 pounds. Well, I guess we'll see you later. Alligator. In the state of Florida, the estimated population of alligators is 1.5 million. Here in the Florida Everglades, they estimate there are 500,000. that 1/3 of the population of alligators in the whole state of Florida live here in the Florida Everglades. If anyone on board right now enjoys fishing, then you will be happy to hear that there are over 200 different types of fish in this water.